Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and today's video is a full get ready with me. So I'll be showing you my hair, my makeup, my outfit, my perfume, literally everything in one together. So today's wig is from OMGqueen Hair, and I'm working with their 16-inch bob today. And guys, I'm not even lying, like the hairline, the lace on this wig, let me just bring you in so you can see. The hairline on this wig is everything. The wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, and this is a 13x6 lace front wig, by the way. It goes all the way to the back, as you guys can see. So I really didn't have to do much to this wig. I literally installed it straight out of the box, and the wig came pre-bleached as well. So all I had to do was just install the wig, and here we are. Like, literally, I'm so in love with this wig. The hairline, everything is just making too much sense. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I installed and styled the wig, and also my makeup look and my outfit, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Today I'm working with a 16-inch bob, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig. Also, if you guys can notice, yes, my brows are microbladed. For the first time, I got my brows microbladed, and they look so good. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to prime my skin before I start installing the wig, just so the primer can actually set into my skin. So I'm using the Milk Hydra Grip Primer, by the way. So you guys can see this wig came pre-plucked, and the hairline looks really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. There's not really much for me to do aside from just install the wig, and I can start my makeup. So as usual, I'm going to use my bed head spray to install the wig today. I see this girl, she dey move I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, so we spend time with the glass of wine. I don't want no tragedy for us. You don't want no tragedy for us. I just wanna stand by you. Anything I do for you, shorty know I go for two. I like you, I ride you. What's up, you know, I sight you. With your bed down to go, that shine too. I pass up, I hold the man too. I want you, I need you, you got it. What's up, you want it, I have it. Didi, daddy, daddy. Right where we come from, the bad. The do. You not there for you, yeah, papa. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, hairline looks amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my melt band. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my makeup. I'm not really gonna talk through just because, you know, it's kind of the same steps all the time. So I'm gonna use my NARS soft matte foundation today, and the shade I'm using is New Caledonia. So we spend time with the glass of wine. I don't want no try.
tragedy for us. You don't want no tragedy for us. I just wanna stand by you. Anything I do for you.
So I can't put any makeup on my brows just yet, so I'm literally trying to be careful so I can blend around.
Shorty know I go for two. I like you, I ride you. What's up, you know, I sight you. With your bed down to go, that shine too. I bust up, I hold the man too. I want you, I need you, you got it. What's up, you want it, I have it. Didi, daddy, daddy. Right when we come from the back. You not there for you, yeah, papa. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like.
Okay, so I'm going to take off the elastic band. So now I'm just going to go back in with my foundation brush and try and get rid of that line from the elastic band. So I'm just going to use my brow gel and just use this to brush my brows in place. Obviously I'm used to my brows being filled in and a lot thicker than this, but I'm not supposed to put makeup on my brows for like 2 weeks. I don't know how I'm going to do that.
Right where we come from the back. You not there for you, yeah, papa. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. I like. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like.
Guys, these lashes are so cute, and I've been liking the whole look of like not applying any mascara or waterliner to my bottom lashes. I don't know, I feel like it just kind of makes you look like a doll. Like it just gives you, I don't know, but I like it. So I'm not going to apply anything to my lower lash line. I'm just going to leave it like this, and this is more or less my makeup done. So I just need to apply my lipstick, lip gloss, and we're good to go. Like, okay, so now I'm just going to finish off my makeup by applying this liquid lipstick from Arenze Cosmetics on Instagram. And the shade of the lipstick is called LA. I really like the shade. You know when you have to check on Snapchat to see how it looks? I don't know if I should apply mascara to my bottom lashes. Nah, actually, I think I'm going to leave it like this. Am I sure? No, I'm going to apply some.
Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. So we spent time with a glass of wine. I don't want no tragedy for.
And now I'm gonna go back to my hair and just hot comb the top of my hair.
Us. You don't want no tragedy for us. I just wanna stand by you. Anything I do for you. Shorty know I go for two. I like you, I ride you. What's up, you know, I sight you. With your bed down to go, that shine too. I bust up, I hold the man too. I want you, I need you.
This hair doesn't really require me to do too much, so I'm just going to run my straighteners through the hair, and I'm just going to add a slight bump at the tip.
You got it. What's up, you want it, I have it. Didi, daddy, daddy. Right when we come from the back. You not there for you, yeah,
Guys, I'm so in love with the hairline on this wig. Like, it looks so natural, literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I kind of wish I brought the lace forward a bit more at the front because now my forehead just looks so big, but listen. Okay, so this is the finished look. Guys, can you just take in the hairline on this wig? It looks so good. Okay, so guys, my hair and makeup is now done. This is what the hair looks like. I'm so in love with this wig, and when it comes to the density of the wig as well, like, it's not too full, it's not too thin, it's just the perfect density for a bob. So I really like that. The last thing I'm gonna do now actually is I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and just apply some powder. So I'm going to move on to jewelry now. I have two options for earrings. I don't know what earrings to wear today. So it's either I wear this one or I wear this. But I'm going to try both on for you guys.
I don't really conversate. Oh yeah, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my...
I really like this one. Because I feel like with this one, it's a state, like it's there, like you can see it. But at the same time, it's not too much. And it looks very... I don't know, I really like this one. So let's try the other one and let's see. I don't really know. I think I'm gonna go with this one today, yes. Yes, and then I'm gonna put my Camellia London cuff on. Then I'm gonna put my LV bracelet on as well. And then for ring, I've only got one ring. I feel like that's the next thing I need to like get now. I don't really wear rings, you know, as such, but I have this one. Actually, I do have one ring, but I don't know where it is. So this is the ring I'm wearing. Actually, I don't know how I feel. I think I'm gonna change my earrings, guys. Yeah, so I think this looks a lot better. This is definitely more me. I don't really wear hoops like that, but I just thought, let me try something different today, and I wasn't feeling it, so I'm gonna stick to this. So, and when it comes to perfume, I'm gonna use the YSL Libre perfume today. This is the intense one, so. And now I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So my outfit's quite simple today. I'm not really doing too much. So I'm wearing this white top from MDV with these trousers from Zara. I got them last year, so I'm not sure if they still have them in stock, but I've had them for a while. So, and then I'm carrying my Coach bag. This is actually one of my favorite bags, by the way. Carrying my Coach bag and these mules from Pretty Little Thing, which I've also had for a while as well. So yeah, and that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My makeup was very quick, very simple. Like, I didn't really do too much, hence why I didn't really talk through the video, you know, letting you guys know what I'm doing, because it's the same thing you guys watch me do all the time. But I really like this wig. Let me know what you guys think of this whole look together in the comment section below. The wig is from OMGqueen Hair, and the hair quality is also really good. Like, this hair is so soft, so silky, running my fingers through the hair with no problems. And the lace as well, the lace that comes with this, and this is a 13x6, by the way, because the parting goes all the way to the back, literally. So it's a 13x6, and this is a 16-inch bob. I think the density of the wig is 180, so I'm gonna make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.